Hello! I got something exciting this time. A package from JLCPCB. Let's open this up. There we go. Nice. Yep. Familiar package. These are everything about JLCPCB is just been top notch every time. And what do we have? I got these. So these are utility boards. For my builds. And as we can see, we got boards for foot switches. And these boards are gonna be coming with a SMD resistor. And yeah, you just, of course that goes on that side. You just hook it up and then you got all your connections on there. Few extra for ground. Yeah, really simple, nice, easy way to hook up your foot switch in your pedal builds. And these will be available at my coffee shop. So you can get them there. And then we got these. And these are for DC plugs, and sometimes you wish you'd have a bit more connection points, over there. This one does. And yeah, I use these myself because, like I said, lots of times you wanna have more ground points. You might have to run a few wires to your 9 volts, and those will be available on my coffee shop too. And let's also open this one. And yeah, these I'll be selling individually and with the SMD resistor already there. It's gonna be a 4.7K one. That will keep the LED pretty bright. I can actually offer a different option with a different kind of LED in the future. So if you need, this will be available individually. So that's what you're gonna get. And unfortunately this is old foot switch I'm recycling, so this won't go over there, but I'll show you with this one. So that's how it's assembled, and then you got your connections. Nice to, I usually use a solid core wire myself for the hooking this up to the jacks and the actual board. And here we are, one of them on the pedal. That's how it looks like. And hey, last but least, I'm gonna take a look at this package as well. But this is just for my own personal use for the moment. Just wanted to see how that'll look. And I'll be attaching these to, well, different things I have that I've made myself. So yeah, and I'll be doing that by, and this is a great trick for those who do their own boards. You might want to try this out. So what I'll just do is, I have a double-sided tape here. Ready to be glued in place. But yeah, links in the description, and there will be a screen over here that also shows what I mean by the coffee shop. So head over there and, you know, get them while they last for now, and make it easier for yourself to make pedals. Alright, I'm off. Next time, something else.